Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you floating high on cloud storage? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the solid world of external drives.
Even in the age of the cloud, external drives are like the trusty sidekicks of data storage. Let's find out why. Cloud is cool, but when it comes to speed, external drives give you that lightning-fast data transfer. No more waiting for uploads and downloads. With an external drive, your precious data isn't floating in the cyberspace where sneaky hackers lurk. It's under lock and key, in your hands. External drives don't need an internet connection. So, when the Wi-Fi takes a nap, your work keeps grooving. Cloud services change, but an external drive is a loyal librarian, keeping your archives safe for years. Natural disasters can't touch the cloud, but what about digital disasters? An external drive is your backup buddy when the online world goes bonkers. Cloud storage rents space in your wallet every month, but an external drive, one and done, baby. So, there you have it, folks, 6 solid reasons to buddy up with an external drive. Keep your data speedy, private, and ready for anything. Hit that like button if you're team external drive, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay savvy and secure.